It looks like sand, so let's use this one now. So now let's pour our egg yolk and our water. And now pour your water. And let's mix it. It's almost ready! Ready? And it's ready. Okay, so we're gonna get it out, roll it into a ball. Okay, my ball is ready, and now I'm gonna cut it in half. So now we're gonna make them into a ball and then roll them out. So now we're gonna put our dough on parchment paper. Got another sheet of parchment paper. Put it on top. And we're gonna roll it out. Keep rolling. So they're ready, so let's chill them for 1 hour. So now we're gonna make our filling. We're gonna start by putting our peaches. So add them into your bag. So now we're gonna add in our white sugar, our lime juice, our cinnamon and salt, not sugar, cornstarch, brown sugar, and last but not least, vanilla. And now we're gonna close it up and mix it. Now let's shake it. So our peaches are ready. So we left it for an hour and let's make our pie. That was very fun. So we have our pie pan. We already greased it. So we're gonna put it here. Okay. Grab the edge and lift. Yeah. Oh, I got bent a little. And run these. Oops, release. So now we're gonna put our filling, and no problem if you have a little hole, just patch it. Ta-da! So it looks so amazing. So now we're just gonna fold in the sides. Now we make the design. So we're gonna make our crumble. We have almond flour. We're gonna add our butter in there, our lemon zest, and our brown sugar. Now we're just gonna mix it. Okay, it's ready, so now we're gonna crumble it up on the top. So now we're gonna egg wash our pie. Let's bake. And it's ready. Looks amazing. Oh, so good. Enjoy.